Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling high-impact assets that AI can instantly improve. Upload your resume and 2 role targets, then ask an AI to extract keywords and rewrite bullets with metrics. This saves hours. Once done, generate 2 cover letter variants that reference company mission lines. Also make sure your LinkedIn headline and top skills match those keywords. That alignment increases AI-sourced matching. These immediate steps create strong inputs, so later AI searches and outreach perform reliably and efficiently. Next, deploy AI to widen and focus your job hunt. Create search filters for titles, location radius, and salary bands, then let an AI aggregate openings from listings and company sites. Once it surfaces matches, ask it to score each using your 5-point rubric so you prioritize high-fit roles. Make a personalized outreach template and instruct the AI to tailor each note with a 1-2-line insight about the company. Meanwhile, automate a timed follow-up cadence so opportunities don't slip through. Finally, prepare to convert interviews into offers by using AI for targeted practice. Run 10 simulated interview rounds with role-specific and behavioral prompts. Then have the AI generate star format answers and 3 concise talking points for each example so you sound confident and structured. For technical roles, request coding prompts or whiteboard steps. If you hit a dry spell, troubleshoot by adjusting keywords by 10 to 20%, broadening location or salary parameters, and refreshing cover letters to reflect fresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.